Welcome to Max Trader, our YouTube channel. Like it, share it, subscribe. Stocks to watch on the week of 21/12 to 24/12. In this video, we are going to see some stocks which we can watch on this week. ACC stock of this week. You can buy above this stock 1660 for good up move in the coming days. Breakout level is 1660. You can buy above this for a good move up to 1670. Bharti Airtel telecom stock waiting for a breakout. After a long journey, it has reached the levels of 522.50. In the coming week, if this level is broken, we can see 530. Sometimes this stock may be on sideways. Wait till 522.5 to break. Bharat Forge. This stock is also waiting for a breakout above the levels of 567.25. Wait for this level and then you trade for long till the target of 580. L&T, in the November month, it was in the low of 920. Now it has moved up to 1300. So in the coming days, if it breaks that level of 1301, you can see very good up movement in the coming days. So wait and watch to break this 1301 levels. Escorts, a good stock, but if it breaks the level of 1294, you can see some selling coming inside this stock. Wait for the level to break 1294 if you are in long. If you are in long, please cut your long positions at when the stock breaks 1294 levels. Below 1294, the stock may fall more to 1200. Manappuram, this stock, if it breaks the levels of 177.20, you can see very good up movement in the coming days. So wait for this stock to break that levels and go for a long. Muthoot Finance, this stock is also waiting for a breakout above 1234.05 levels. So wait for these stocks to break that level and go for a buy above that. SBIN was in long for a good period of time. So in the coming days, if it breaks the levels of 265, you can see some selling coming in this stock. Last week, it reached the levels of 263 and then bounced back. If these two levels, 265 and 263 is broken in the coming days, you can see some selling pressure coming in this stock. Reliance, you have to wait and watch this stock to trade. Full sideways movement was there in this stock. In the coming days, if it breaks the levels of 2038, then only you can see an up movement. Or else, if it breaks the levels of 1961, you can see some selling coming in this stock. So wait for these two levels, 2040, 2038 or 2040, you can keep in the mind, or you can keep 1960 in the mind. If any of these levels break, then only you can take positions. Till then, the stock will be in sideways. UPL, in the coming days, it has to break the levels of 466.40. If that level is broken, you can see 500 rupees in this stock. So wait, watch and trade these stocks. All these levels are only for educational purpose we are sharing. Trade at your own risk.